how to make money fast in digital marketing. All right. Even if you are a new beginner, in this video, I will train you on a specific part you need to master in digital marketing so that you can start to make money fast. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to train you on the 5WP equation to set you up for success in digital marketing. Without wasting much time, let's dive into it. My name is Avis Germany. I teach people better use of internet to reshape their finance. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, what is digital marketing? You may be asking. I know you might know about it. So digital marketing is all about using the internet in order for you to market your product or your services. Okay, as opposed to the normal way of doing it, like sharing of handbill, going to television or radio. So we use the modern way, all right, to do this promotion advertisement. Okay, and it is cost effective because we can track it, we can measure it. Okay, and you might know some of all the benefit of digital marketing. Okay, and that is not why we are here. How do you now monetize these skills that you have now? Okay, now the number one mistake a lot of people make is that they try to master everything about digital marketing. But if you want to make money, you don't need that. And that is why it is here. Don't learn too much. Just let people know what you do. When someone think of you, what comes to their brain, what comes to their mind, all right? And you're going to understand it shortly. Let's proceed. Now, there are 6 parts of digital marketing. We have the core 6 parts of digital marketing. Number one, we have the content creation, we have social media marketing, we have affiliate marketing, SEO, web design, and email marketing. Okay. A lot of people also include like video editing and then graphic design. It could be part of it, but this is the most essential part of what digital marketing. Okay. Now, if you might be asking me, where does advertisement fall in? Advertisement fall into the social media marketing. If you understand these 6 core areas now, it means that you have understand digital marketing to the core. Then how then do you monetize it? To monetize any part of digital marketing, you might not necessarily need to learn all the whole parts. No, just pick a few and then you can learn to monetize it very easily. Which one should you pick? You might be asking me now. Let me show you something here. Okay. Which anyone you choose, sir, does not matter. Do you know that affiliate marketing is practical application of digital marketing? In affiliate marketing, you get to apply content creation. You're going to apply social media marketing. You're going to even apply SEO. You're going to apply web design, even email marketing. Yes, you must apply it there. But the route you will follow is what determines, okay, the one you have to apply. If you learn just one and master one of these things very well, it could start to print money for you. And what do I mean by that? First of all, you get to achieve results for your clients. So let's say, assuming I'm doing social media marketing, that is what I learned, maybe how to run advertisement on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram, very, very well. Okay. What I will do, first of all, I will make sure that I have solved my personal problem. That what I'm about to pitch for someone, I have mastered it. If I want to pitch someone of, let me help them and do advertisement, I will make sure that I have done advertisement myself, either on my business or I've tested on it and I've gotten at least a first-hand knowledge or information, okay, that I'm going to share with my client that can convince them. All right. Now, I pitch for my prospect. Number one is that you must achieve results for your prospect. Now I've mastered these skills. What I could do, I could go out there and look for small business owners and help them to do advertisement to get results. I could see them on Facebook, I could see them on social media and pitch them about their business. I can work for free. Yes, if you're starting out newly, you don't have results, you can work for free. You After you help them get results, you request a written or a video testimonial. For instance, how do I do my own? If you go to my channel, I'm a full-time affiliate marketing. That is the core thing I do. And when I started making results for myself, maybe I was making 200,000 naira, 300,000 naira on Seller and other platform there. If I'm saying about my results, people might not resonate easily with it. So I need to help a client to get results. And what I did simply, those people who register with my affiliate marketing platform, I find a way to mentor them. All might not be serious, but a handful of them were committed to learning. At that point, I helped up to like 3 persons, okay, which we were very committed. And the other person made 200, the other one made about 100,000, the other one made about 50,000 naira. They screenshot it and then they made a video testimonial for me. I got that as a written testimonial and also got it as a video testimonial. All right. What I did next was I create a system that acquires a new client, and which is what you can do as well. It could be running Facebook advertisement or Google any advertisement, or you use content creation, creating content on Twitter, create content on any social media platform that you feel comfortable with you, okay, that constantly brings client leads to your DM. And when they come, for them to purchase through you, I have to send them my testimonial, what clients say about me, what my audience have said. Okay. By so doing, they will be satisfied. Okay, that this person can help me and get a result for myself. When you have successfully do that, you don't need to complicate the whole system. A lot of people they want to do it the wrong way. They complicate system, build funnel, do this, do this. No, you might just need a simple framework from advertisement to my landing page. Landing page that is fall under web design. All right, you can use system.io to do it, or you can use card.co to create a simple landing page that when they get to a landing page, they will read about you, see your testimonial, what others are saying about you. They will click on the link and then they come to your WhatsApp. And when they come there instantly, they know why they are here. You may be targeting people that want to do affiliate marketing, people that want to do Google ad or Facebook ad. That is what you want to do for them. You have told them specifically in your advertisement. When they come, they now see the result to validate other people's result, to validate why they are there. All right. You might not necessarily want to use advertisement. You can use content creation, which is free to do. Okay. You can use AI to create video and prompt and use it for video creation. And when they come, you speak to them, show them the testimonial. Instantly, they get them onboarded. All right. They start doing so. Okay, it's very simple to do. Once you have set up this system that generates clients and then you close them, you acquire that client again, it means that you are above 95% of people who are struggling on this social media now, on this internet, because you have solved at least half of the problem. Now, next one again, now for you to set yourself up for success, you must understand these 5 WP questions. It's very, very important. Number one is, what do you do? You specifically mention what you do. Let people know what you do. If you watch some of my video, I normally say it. Okay, after introduction, I say I help people better use of social media or internet to reshape their finance. So which means I help people to make money on the internet. That is basically what I do. Okay, so you need to come up with exactly what you do. One line, one tagline statement of what you do is going to help you a lot. Second one is, how do you deliver? All right, what you said you do, how do you do it? Is it that you have a course, or you have a video, or they come to your workshop? How do you deliver what you promise? Okay, like I have a physical training for digital marketing. I also have a course on social media to teach such. It depends on what my prospect wants. So you get to make it specifically how you deliver to your ideal prospect. Don't make them stress too much. Let them instantly grasp how you deliver it. Okay, so when do you deliver? Is it that they can do instrumental payment, or is where they make payment you deliver? So let them know at what point do they start, because if you don't direct them specifically when and how exactly, you might end up losing them. So you tell them, once you do this, once you make this part payment, instantly will start. So you have not specifically when you deliver. Next one is, where do you deliver, which I have answered, which is your location. All right, now sorry, this how is it that you teach them by yourself, or you hire someone? Okay, so in what format do you do it? Okay, you need to make it specifically on how you do that. So where in particular is a locational question. Where is it, on internet or off internet? Okay. Then this one is, why should I choose you? So this one is your value proposition. What makes you different from the rest of people? So you must clearly state it. What makes you different? Just like me now, what makes me different from other affiliate marketers is, anyone that enrolls in affiliate marketing through me, I go way beyond affiliate marketing to teaching them other digital skills that can help them to monetize, so that they cannot be locked in only affiliate marketing. They can monetize either web, monetize other graphic design, monetize copywriting, other digital skill sets. I teach them to help them to make money on internet, because that was my overall aim, helping them to make money on the internet. All right. So that is just that. If you want to learn how I do affiliate marketing step by step, watch this video here to kind of show you how to do it step by step. Okay. See you on the next one. Bye for now.